I was shocked because I barely have 40 subscribers and I was like, did all the 40 bought my mic? And here's where it get even more stupid. There were ads running on my video. I still remember I used to watch Ishan Sharma, Alex Hormozi and Iman Gaji's videos and I would think these guys have built empires from YouTube. If they can do it, I'll do it too. And here's the funniest part. Before I uploaded my first video, whenever I watched someone else's content, I used to say, this video is trash. If this can get 100,000 views, mine will easily get 1 million. But reality hit me like a truck. In December 2024, Iman Gaji uploaded a video on his business channel in which he revealed he had made $200,000 from just one video. And I was like, even if I do professional level coding, which is one of the highest income skill, it would take 5, 6, maybe even a decade to make that much money. So I decided I'll go all in on YouTube. Problem, there was no space at my home. No professional looking background, no iPhone, no tripod. So with the money I made from drop servicing, I bought this green screen. My logic was simple. I simply removed the background in editing and put some fancy premium office background so I look professional. But I tried it, I used CapCut's chroma key and the green spill ruined the whole footage. So I switched to DaVinci Resolve to check if it can handle it better. I downloaded it, opened it and boom! Pop up. Your laptop doesn't have a dedicated GPU, can't run DaVinci Resolve. And I was like, back to CapCut again, somehow edited. And yes, the audio. I used to record audio with my father's phone, which is OnePlus Nord C3 Lite. Now you might be thinking, why do I not record audio from my own phone? Because I used to record video from this phone. Yes, I used to record video and audio separately. And I was 100% sure minimum 20 to 40k views incoming. Because everyone's bad video gets so much views, mine will blow up. The result, 117 views and 2 to 3 subscribers. And here's where it get even more stupid. There were ads running on my video. And I genuinely thought YouTube pays everyone who has ads running on their videos. And then I started waiting for the money to roll in. I was waiting and waiting. Then I thought I didn't give in my bank details. So where the money will be credited? Then I googled and reality check. I needed 1000 subscribers plus 4000 hours watch time to hit monetization. Then I was like, then why the hell YouTube putting ad on my videos? That was depressing. Because from my first video I got 2 to 3 subscribers. At that rate it would take 400 to 500 videos just to hit monetization. So I quit. I switched back to drop servicing and other side hustles. But 1 month ago, I decided screw it, I'll upload consistently. Then I got 42 subs and 200 to 300 views average per video. Then the craziest part, I got to know about affiliate marketing. And I started putting links in the description of all the stuff I use. Mic, laptop, phone, everything. And I was thinking the same. I barely have 40 subscribers, who's even gonna click the link? But even then I put the links and I forgot about it. I didn't even checked. And after 4 to 5 days, I opened Amazon dashboard. And there were 350 rupees. I was shocked because I barely have 40 subscribers and I was like, did all the 40 bought my mic? But then I got to know with Amazon affiliates, if someone clicks your link, they don't have to buy the exact same product. Even if they buy something else, let's say headphones or even a sofa, within 24 hours, I'll still get commission. So here are real numbers. Let's say this mic's price is 2500. If someone clicks the link and buy this mic, generally on electronics we get 3 to 4% commission. That means I get 100 to 125 rupees on every purchase. And with 200 to 300 views average per video, I wasn't expecting much. But in just 5 days of putting links, I made 350 rupees. And imagine for the whole month, it will be stacked up to 11,500 with just 40 subscribers. That tiny 350 rupees might sound small to you, but for me, that tiny 350 rupees might sound small to you, but for me, it was huge because it proved two things. First, you don't need 1000 subscribers or 4000 hours watch time to earn money. Second, even a small audience can pay you if you are smart enough. And here's the best part, I made more money from something other than affiliate marketing. And if you get to know about this, you'll start printing money too. And I'll reveal it in my next video.